Digital Marketing Institute is a certifying body founded in the USA by several long-standing marketers. We have years of experience in business, marketing, and more, and have put forth our combined experience to develop the Digital Marketing Institute. This course will cover how to make SEO work for you and your brand through good user experiences and enticing content, as well as adapting existing marketing methods to SEO and SEM for greater reach and best returns. Making SEO fit your brand, your websites, and your products can be difficult at first. This aims to teach you how to make SEO work for you and your brand, as well as adapting it for your websites and the more technical aspects. How can you adapt your existing marketing methods and strategies to fit SEO and SEM? How can your older methods be worked to fit into this new and opportunity-filled marketing venue? This will teach you how it's not so difficult after all. This course was developed for marketers unfamiliar with SEO and SEM, as well as those looking for a way to transition into the new method while not having to reinvent the wheel. For more information on this course and others, visit us at www.thedigitalmarketinginstitute.org. Always striving towards digital skills for all.